Greetings from Austria, everyone. I'm so excited to be your guide today as we explore this incredible country together. From the soaring Alps to the charming villages, Austria is a feast for the senses. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or an outdoor adventurer, Austria has something special in store for you. In this video, we'll discover the best tourist attractions that Austria has to offer, no matter the time of year. So, grab your walking shoes, pack your bags, and get ready for an unforgettable journey. Let's kick off our Austrian experience in the heart of the Alps, in the breathtaking region of Tyrol. Picture this: crisp mountain air, snow-dusted peaks piercing the sky, and the exhilarating sound of skis carving through fresh powder. Tyrol is a winter sports paradise, home to world-class ski resorts like Kitzbühel, Ischgl, and St. Anton. Whether you're a seasoned skier or a first-timer, you'll find slopes for every level. But it's not just about skiing and snowboarding. Tyrol also offers enchanting Christmas markets, cozy mountain huts serving hearty Austrian cuisine, and breathtaking scenery that will leave you speechless. Be sure to take a scenic cable car ride for panoramic views of the Alps. It's an experience you won't soon forget. Next, we travel to the elegant capital city of Vienna, a place where history, music, and culture intertwine to create an unforgettable experience. Vienna is a city best explored on foot, so put on some comfortable shoes and get ready to be amazed. As you stroll through the grand boulevards, you'll be greeted by magnificent palaces like the Hofburg Palace, the winter residence of the Habsburg emperors. And speaking of emperors, no trip to Vienna is complete without a visit to Schönbrunn Palace, the summer residence of the Habsburgs. Be sure to take a peek inside to marvel at the opulent interiors and imagine what life was like for the royal family. And don't forget to treat yourself to a slice of Sacher Torte, Vienna's most famous chocolate cake. Now let's escape the city bustle and head to the serene Salzkammergut region, often referred to as the Austrian Lake District. Here, you'll discover a world of crystal-clear lakes, rolling hills, and charming villages that look like they've been plucked straight out of a fairy tale. One of the most popular activities in Salzkammergut is simply relaxing by the lakeside, soaking up the sun, and enjoying the tranquility of nature. For the more adventurous, there are plenty of hiking trails that wind through the surrounding mountains, offering breathtaking views of the lakes below. And if you're a fan of the movie, The Sound of Music, be sure to visit the charming town of Hallstatt, which served as inspiration for one of the film's iconic scenes. Prepare to be enchanted as we step into Salzburg, a city brimming with music, history, and architectural splendor. Salzburg is, of course, famous as the birthplace of the legendary composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. You can visit his childhood home, now a museum, and learn about his life and musical genius. But Salzburg is much more than just Mozart. The city's old town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a treasure trove of Baroque architecture. Take a stroll through the Getaway, a charming pedestrian street lined with shops housed in centuries-old buildings, and be sure to visit Hohensalzburg Fortress, a majestic fortress perched atop a hill overlooking the city, offering panoramic views of Salzburg and the surrounding mountains. For our final stop, we venture to the picturesque town of Hallstatt, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's as historic as it is beautiful. Nestled on the shores of Hallstatter Sea, surrounded by towering mountains, Hallstatt seems almost too charming to be real. One of the town's most fascinating attractions is the Hallstatt salt mine, one of the oldest salt mines in the world. Take a funicular ride up the mountain to explore the mines, learn about the history of salt mining, and even slide down a wooden miner's slide. Back in town, wander through the narrow streets, admire the traditional wooden houses, and maybe even enjoy a coffee and pastry at a lakeside cafe. So there you have it, a taste of Austria's incredible tourist attractions. From the snow-capped Alps to the charming villages, from the grand cities to the serene lakes, Austria offers a world of experiences for every type of traveler. I hope this video has inspired you to add Austria to your travel bucket list. If you're ready to start planning your own Austrian adventure, be sure to check out the links in the description for more information. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travels!